Hey everybody, I'm Jennifer Bell with Bell Marketing. So I started one video. So my package this is supposed to be a package unwrapping, but my phone, my camera just kind of like cut off on me. So it is already open, but I literally just cut it. And so I just wanted to share with you guys what these products are. And so this is the anti-aging and anti-inflammation. You know, it helps with just keeping your body feeling younger, keeping your body from feeling inflamed. Like if you have problems with your knees, your joints, anything like that, this can help. And I really love this. I mix it with hot tea. And this is what the packets look like. You can mix it into anything cold or warm. I choose to mix it with hot tea with honey. And then this is a restore and sleep combo. So the purple is kind of restore your body, do like a detox, make your body feel really good, clean you out. And then the white is the sleeping pills. And then these are energy, pain relief, a multitude of different things. It's crazy. Like this can work on a lot of different things. Now, I will say this has worked on many different health issues, but it depends on your body. It depends on what else you're taking. You know, if you have any allergies, this is what the green pills look like. And these are all natural. They're chock full of fruits and veggies, which is really good. And they just redid, I believe they redid the capsules on these too, so those are even better. And then the purple and the white look like this. And so you can either take the purple at night with your white pills, or you could take it, you know, you could take it with these, or you could take it with these in the morning time after you eat, you've had a little water. They work either way. Like I've said before, I started using the purple in the at nighttime with the white pills, but then I started doing them in the green. But I don't really think that there's any difference. It's just a lot of people have noticed they kind of see added benefits in the morning. You might see them at nighttime. It all depends on your routine. If you're repetitive, what's the word, consistent, just pick a time frame to take them and then keep up with that. But these are all amazing products. They've helped me, even if, you know, a lot of people say they can't afford it, but are you going to be able to afford, you know, if you're not taking care of yourself now, are you going to be able to afford the deductibles for your health insurance to pay out of pocket when your insurance runs out? You know, because to try and help maintain a health issue is a lot more expensive than just getting it, you know, trying to help prevent it. You know, I've always been overall healthy, and so I just really didn't care about paying for things because, like I said, I'm healthy. I really generally have not been in the hospital or the doctors too much unless I absolutely had to, and so it just seemed like a waste of money for me. But now that I'm 37 years old, it's just kind of like, you know, you start feeling stuff not working as good as it used to, a lot of things that just aren't comfortable anymore, knees hurting, cramps that I never used to have before, not sleeping, which sleeping has kind of been a long-term thing, and the energy, just having 4 kids, you know, you need more energy because you burn out really fast. And so I just really, you know, I just say if you can squeeze some money, just try and do something. Help with some good stuff in your body to make up for, you know, if you're smoking, if you're drinking, if you're eating poorly, if you're not exercising, if you're stressed out, if you're not sleeping very well. Try and do something to kind of make up for it. It might not seem like much, but it's better than not doing anything at all, you know. Try and get yourself in a routine where you start doing one thing at a time until you gradually get yourself feeling a lot better, you know. You get in that routine of being able to have it in your budget and all that. So I hope that this helps. You know, if you have any questions, you can comment below. I hope that you found value in this. If you did, hit the like button and the subscribe button and hit the bell for all notifications. You know, I like to show these just because of how much of a difference they've had in my life. You know, I always kind of had sleeping issues, especially once I really went through a lot of my traumas, just waking up out of the middle of the night, feeling really uncomfortable. Just body aches and stuff like that, especially when I was sick. You know, if you get a cold, that makes it even worse. Energy, just not exercising like I should have been, eating a lot of processed foods, a lot of junk. Just my energy has been draining down more and more. And then having 4 kids, you know, trying to keep up with them because they're between 16 and 4. And then with the purple pills, you know, I've been having a lot of digestion problems. Always going to the bathroom, always being uncomfortable, always having my intestines just kind of like rumbling around, and it just, you know, sometimes you just have a lot of issues where you feel like you're boiling. That's not fun, you know. So my aim is to help someone else that might be going through these same things, to help them achieve a little bit of peace of mind, a little bit of a better quality of life, because that matters. Life goes so quick, and every little bit of peace of mind that you can get, every little bit of better quality of life matters. It helps reduce the edge of stress that can creep over you when you're realizing there's just so much going on that you have to deal with. Low energy, no sleep. You got to do this, you got to do that. Just trying to keep up with everything in daily life, and then just not, especially if you have mental illness like I do, anxiety and depression and PTSS, it really weighs on you heavy. And it can really make it hard to get a lot of sleep and keep up that energy. So, you know, I really want to share these just because they're so important to, I think they're so important because those are such necessary things that are part of our lives. And even if the digestion isn't a problem, it's just still just nice to go in the bathroom and not feel miserable, not just feel, you know, you could just go in the bathroom. It's just a normal experience, and then you're out, you know. So I hope that you like this video. And if you have any questions, you can go ahead and comment below, or find me on one of my other social medias. And if you have any questions about ingredients, it's getting kind of dark, so I can't really read the ingredients, but I will be happy to chat with you more about this. Let me know what's going on with you. If it's something I've experienced, I can kind of tell you what's been going on with me, how much it's helped, what I do with my daily routine, and hopefully that will help you. So I hope that you all have a great rest of your weekend and a great night, and have a fabulous week.